for this first year. Guess who it is?
My daddy never appears in our YouTube channel.
This time we made him to accept because it's an year of our channel and we have to make it something special.
We've come to know a lot of our personalities during these shoots for our videos. And so today we're going to be playing this super fun game. There's basically Bargo's the host of the game.
Yeah.
He asks us a bunch of questions which he has prepared on this phone. And we have these charts that says Purna and Deepa. And for every question you have to flip who it is. And yeah, I also decorated the cards.
And you guys are gonna know what's the truth behind the shooting. The first question is, who often goes to drink water?
I have this really bad habit that I don't drink a lot of water. I do drink because, but then I don't drink during the shoots because I'm just not thirsty.
Yeah, but I feel refreshing only if I drink water, so I just keep drinking water all the time.
Yeah, I can talk for hours without drinking water.
And the second question is a really good question. Who starts the fight in the shooting?
I say Deepa.
It's actually Purna. She does these stupid things and Mom actually yells at her.
You know what? She starts off every time, but she never agrees.
Yeah, in the shooting spot, like she dances, like TikTok dances, Instagram reels, and my mom says, "Why are you dancing here?" Ah, she shouts at her. And the third question is, who always I'm hungry during the shooting?
That's like.
That's me.
You know what? You can even see in our videos who comes and munches even before the shooting, or we wait dedicated until we take the final picture that's needed for the video. But Bhargav, this question is for you.
Yeah, actually, I always, I am so hungry because we take the shooting at the nighttime. My mom makes the dinner as the shooting. The fourth question is, who always I'm the cameraman shouts at me?
That's
I didn't guess. Yeah, I didn't guess what you're making out.
No, who
Who
always...
says that I'm the cameraman?
That's you, right?
Yeah, Purna says, I'm the cameraman.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Purna.
When do I say that? That's Bargo.
We always fight during the shooting.
Oh yeah. That's because Bargo says he's the cameraman and I say I'm the cameraman because he doesn't let me do a single shot. Whenever I try to do something, he's like, I'm the cameraman, and then I say I'm the cameraman.
The funniest part is the heated argument that goes on may make the food that's getting cooked.
What's the next question?
Yeah, the fifth question is the fifth question is, who always takes time to put their makeup on, dresses?
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
always when I was setting the camera, Purna, let me put my lipstick on, let me put my lip balm, let me put some foundation.
I don't know whether she puts huge makeup, but she takes a long time getting ready, choosing her costumes.
Yeah,
and dress.
my mom always puts some eyeliner and lipstick, get out of the room.
Yeah, 5 minutes of my
I
time.
don't really wear so much makeup, but I just do it so patiently that I want it to be perfect.
I don't say that I'm good at makeup.
Yeah, she's kind of dumb. The sixth question is, who always take photo of her in the camera?
Oh, who
Always takes.
Photo of her in the camera.
See, you can guess these answers even before we say, because she's in her teens.
I actually like taking pictures. I just check every shoot on how I look.
I just hate taking pictures of me. I lose patience on it.
Yeah.
But my mom and Purna always takes pictures of them. But mom also doesn't take that many pictures of her. Purna takes a lot of pictures of her.
You can see Bhargav keeps on just complaining about his sister.
Bhargav, you should know one thing about him. He's terrible at posing. Okay, next question, Bhargav.
Yeah, the seventh question is, who always does mistakes on their line when the camera's on?
I was fast in that one. It's always mom. She said, okay, I'll start. And then she's like, blah, blah, blah. Oh no.
Yeah, like my view, I'm the cameraman, so my mom always does a mistake on her line, so I need to delete the video and take another clip.
And Bhargav gets so mad. So I remember this instant where in our mac and cheese shooting, Bhargav and mom were the two, and I was the cameraman in that video, camera girl. And I remember that Bhargav at some point he was about to cry because mom was.
And he said that I'll never ever come and join with you in shooting.
Said, I like shooting with Purna better than you.
Yeah. So the eighth question is, who always eats the food ingredients?
Undoubtedly, I never touch that.
Yeah.
So I remember this one time that I started eating cocoa powder and mom was like shouting at me, that's all we have, but like I don't know why I like eating cocoa powder and it's just weird.
Yeah. The ninth question is, who does the editing so well like a pro?
I'm a pro.
Yeah.
I do it, but no,
She
I
doesn't
take my
just do
time.
it.
Yeah.
You know, when mom's editing, she uses only one hand and
Yeah,
it's like so if I look at that, my head hurts. I just don't know why. Yeah.
You know, you're revealing so much of secrets about me. I hate
She's
this
like,
question answer session. Yeah. So when she sits and says that I'm gonna edit now, you know what? Simultaneously, she's watching some movie or
she
series
watched
or something.
Vampire Diaries.
But when I sit to edit, I just sit and focus into
Yeah,
it.
sometimes me and Bhargav, while I'm editing a video, he comes and sits near me, so then I open and watch Vampire Diaries.
Yeah. The 10th question, the last question.
I think I said I hate the question answer session because my secrets are getting revealed.
Who cleans every props after the shooting?
So after we finish talking, after we prep the kitchen, we're like so tired. Me and Bhargav just run away. We go upstairs and we, as usual, watch computer.
Just that to talk the truth.
Yeah, like I only set the camera, lighting, and the Bluetooth.
And then mom
Does
Deepa.
everything, yeah.
Yeah, she cleans up everything. And then
Even before the shoot starts, I just plan everything, arrange everything, and then go get dressed up. And then I
sometimes
call them, come ready, this is shoot time. So they just help me out. And once the shooting is finished, they just want to munch off the final product and then run away.
My mom always tells me, come help me, do this, do that. But I'll just tell a lie and just run away.
sometimes, one time, I have to say this. One time I lied that my stomach hurts and then I went and lied down on the bed.
I know they're not going to help me, but I just keep asking them.
Okay, now I have one question. Who always takes breaks and never comes back?
That's me. I tell my mom I'll just go to the bathroom and I'll just...
He says that and he says I'll be back in a minute. And then if you see, for the next 15 minutes he'll be gone and there'll be some problem and I'll be so mad at him and then for the next clip that we're taking, my face will be like,
Hope you guys enjoyed this session. And it's fun to share all the moments that we had during our shoots, and it's nice, no?
Yeah, it's a really nice game.
Yeah, it's so much of memories down. It's an year, and we are just
happy.
loving to share you more things up.